Y-DNA test. Y-DNA testing is a type of genetic genealogy test specifically for males. So the test is used to determine if tested males share the same paternal lineage. The Y chromosome is passed down from the father to son and has a very low mutation rate as generations go by. So if a direct male line can be traced, then all males in that line will have the identical Y chromosome profiles. So this test is ideal for establishing whether alleged male relatives are really biologically related or not. How it works. The test analyzes STR markers on the Y chromosomes, which are short, repeating sequences of DNA. The specific pattern of these repeats, that is, the haplotype, is unique to each individual's paternal lineage. Now, when it's needed, in the absence of the alleged father, in cases where brothers want to know if they share the same father, for male cousins to see if their fathers were brothers, adopted children who wish to reunite with their biological parents. This was all. Thanks for watching.